Stop forcing your child to eat. So when you force feed your child, the child sees food as pressure. They no longer feel that they are making a choice, and there is no long-term habit formation which happens in terms of nutrition. In fact, food becomes a source of stress, and because of this, your child is going to resist it even further. So how do we tackle this? By making food fun. Involve your child in the food making process. For older kids, they can help you in cooking. For younger ones, they can serve, they can garnish, they can do a lot of innovative stuff with the food, and they will have fun while doing this. Let them choose what they want to eat among 1 or 2 viable options which you have selected for them, and let them enjoy the food. So again, no force feeding your child.